This is my project on result management system. I've written the codes to fulfill the criteria of student management or result management system. I've connected my project to MySQL database through JDBC driver, and I've written codes which suits the criteria of result management system, like showing students result, showing subjects, showing students registration. Now running my GUI. In this, the admin can use their username and password to log in into the system, through which they can register students information. When the registration is successful, it goes to the view session, which shows the student's information, in which we can search the student's information through writing their student ID. This shows the student ID containing student's information containing this A who has the student ID 8. Now moving backwards, we can add subject through writing subject code and subject name. When the registration is successful, we can view the information about the subjects. We can also add result of different subject, like through adding student's ID and the marks they got. And moving back, we can view the result. We can search the student's ID, and then it shows the marks got by the student. Thank you.